When we talk about marriage, it sounds like we are treating women as objects, but it's not.
It's not.
Go into any political administration class, they will tell you, you can't be responsible without power to control. Responsibility requires power to control.
Yes.
And so your father cannot be responsible to take care of you, but then he doesn't have power to control you. We now have men who claim to be men, but in essence they are women. Their character is not of a man. They are running away from this matter. I don't want to control my wife. I want to take care of her. You are an idiot. You can't take care of someone which you can't control.
Yes.
It's not possible.
Yes.
You can't be responsible if you don't have power to control.
Yes.
And go into the Bible. There is no scripture where God asked a woman to take care of her husband.
Yeah,
There's no such scripture.